I try my best to stay organized as much as I can in life and in work and everything like that. It's very tough sometimes because obviously life happens and it's something that gets put on the back burner of organization. But eventually you get back to it, and it feels good to start organizing things and keeping things in a certain spot, especially when it comes to editing video. When it comes to editing video, it's very important to keep your files organized and files in a place where you know where they are. So you just click on it and it's there. Then you don't waste time and you don't waste your own sanity to getting the job done. Welcome back to the Rebel Tech channel. I'm Justin, and in this video we're going to be talking about how to organize your files in your editing software. For this example, we're going to be using Adobe Premiere, and I touched on this on my YouTube video, how to make your YouTube video from start to finish, but this is going to be a quick and easy way to just organize your files. And if you found this video helpful, entertaining, or anything whatsoever, please leave a like and consider subscribing. Okay, so this is a quick one for you. I'm not gonna babble on about anything else other than organizing your Premiere Pro sequence and everything that goes along with it. So as you can see here, I just started a new project. This is for my adjustment layer video. If you've seen my adjustment layer video, it is out right now. It's being edited right now, but by the time this is out, it will be out in the playlist, and you guys can check out all my Adobe videos all in that playlist, and they'll be added on as I go. So without any further ado, it's been filmed, it's been organized in my folders in my computer, and what we're going to do now is create a bin. And these are very important and very, very useful, probably top 3 useful things on Adobe Premiere. So all you're going to do, on the left side where you put in your files, you're going to create or click new bin, basically create the bin. And I have a bunch of bins that I make. I might not use them all, but I have them there if I do decide to add something in that category. So let's go through them. Main, video, audio. Audio meaning the audio that I'm speaking right now. This is the audio that's going in that file. B-roll, cutaway stuff. Animations, mainly the logo in the front, or the animation for the Rebel Tech that you guys see in every video. And just anything that might come up, like the like and sub thing, just about anything, Twitch thing, all that stuff, any animations. Next up we have stills, because I like to add stills and all stuff like that, like backgrounds and things like that. Next one up is sounds and music, because chances are they're not going to be, I try not to overload these things. I'd rather have more bins with less in them than less bins with a lot in them, because it kind of defeats the purpose of a bin specific to something if you just have like 3. So after that, I think that's it. Those are pretty much it. Those are the files that, or the bins as it's called here, that I like to use. Now what we're going to do is we're going to add our main video. And we're going to go down to videos in the works. This is all the files that I'm working on. Presently, I have another file where once it's done out, I just move it over to that. I'm all about organization, especially on my computer. I probably like once a month, I go through it and dump it onto actually it's sitting right here, a external hard drive. Eventually this will be filled up and I'm going to have to get another one. So we're going into the adjustment layer folder. Got 4 video files here, and you're going to open. It's going to process See in the bottom right corner, it's going to generate the peaks. That's not a big deal. You don't have to let it do that. But aside from that, we're going into our audio. And because I record my audio in 32 and 24-bit files simultaneously, just because I'm a crazy person and I have to have backups for everything, that's just who I am. This one's the 24, this is the 32, designated by the 32. Choose that. If you have a Zoom F6, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Choose the first one, and you go through every one and get it. Now, of course, if you have multiple audio files, which I've had with multiple microphones I talk about or use, that's going to be there as well. Now, one more thing, just from the beginning. I try to add in as much of the stuff that I know is like always in my videos. So I'll go to my animations. I'm going to add the Twitch animation. Going to add the sub and like animation. Title card. And the new end card, which I just made. Sure, there's going to be plenty more things that are going to be added to this, but for the most part, those are my bins that I use and the things that I add right from the beginning. So it's pretty simple. Now I will put it into the sequence and start editing, sync it up, all that stuff. So that's about it. It's a quick one here. So thank you all for watching. Hope you all enjoyed it. Hope it was informative. And I know it's a quick one, and I know it's probably something that a lot of people know, but it's something that I want to put out there because it was not something that came naturally. It's just, and also it might be an obvious thing, but you might not think like, oh, maybe I should make bins. I'm not dumping everything into just some abyss of the file folder or file section of Adobe or whatever software you're going to be using. I know that DaVinci has bins as well, so if you're using DaVinci Resolve, you could do that on there as well. So if you like that, please hit the like button. It means a lot and it helps the videos get out there to more people. And please consider subscribing for more videos like this and more videos that will be coming out in the future. If you have any comments, please leave them down in the comments section. I'll be happy to talk to you guys about Adobe. I'm still learning a bunch of things. I'm not an expert by any stretch of the imagination, so I'd love to learn. I'd love to teach you guys what I know. If you have anything extra to teach me, please leave it down in the comments, and maybe one day I'll be good enough and informed enough to make a video about it. Also, my stream every Saturday afternoon into the night on this channel for about an hour, and then I switch over to Twitch to play some video games. Be happy to have you there and come hang out with me, chat, talk about tech, gear, or just life in general. So that's it. As always, be safe, be kind. If you go out, please wear a mask. And yes, I will see you in the next video. Oh yeah, you can't turn that way. Take this, you son of a bitch! Oh, kicked him in the freaking face!